I am overjoyed to see that you have already realized that the responsibility of winning freedom does not rest merely on the shoulders of our countrymen at home. It is but natural that they should bear the brunt of the burden, and they have been doing so already. But at the same time, every Indian, no matter where he may be living at the present time, has a duty towards his country, and he must contribute his due share towards the final victory. This fact should further strengthen our self-confidence and optimism and hearten us considerably in the fight that lies ahead of us.
North of 2,000 cyclists from all over India gathered together to celebrate the Republic Day and to attempt something extraordinary.
We shall be able to break the Guinness World Record.
Hubali Bicycle Club designed and planned the roadmap for a Guinness record attempt. This is a conscious effort to create bicycle awareness under the campaign Respect Cyclists.
My 1 year has to be dedicated for creating awareness.
This is a moment of unity to achieve a common goal. It is personal, it is patriotic. To achieve bigger than a dream, motion and emotion must be in balance.
It was a great challenge for me. I think I have never taken such a challenge in my life so far.
Symbolizing peace and freedom, the balloons were released.
Thank you, all the best.
As a diamond is produced by iterative improvements, a foundation to the whole exercise was laid a year ago.
I thank all the sponsors for having generously contributed to this event.
When we are getting a feedback from each and every rider that the arrangement what we have done is amazing.
Medical response team is an integral part of such planning.
We have kept it very simple, very functional.
As you all know, the current record is for 1,186 participants. That was done in December 2016 in Bangladesh. So that's the number that you have to beat.
The union of mind and heart was very strong. There was determination and the zeal to dethrone the existing record.
ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಾವು ಕಡ್ಡಾಯವಾಗಿ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
So if you're ready, we will start with the official attempt. Are you ready?
With pure invigoration at heart, the attempt began. Though cyclists were deterrent, there was a sense of fear which everyone had to go. The fear of maintaining the pace of the cycle ahead, the fear of swaying off the line, the fear of stepping off the pedal was prevalent. The sun god offered as much of a glare as he could to weaken the spirits of the cyclists. A sole motto united all of them from deep within.
Nothing makes us united other than patriotism.
Regardless of caste, creed, race, or gender, connection between people from different parts of India was incredible to witness. A huge blow of disappointment and dismay hit when the attempt was dismissed. An invisible wave of disheartenment was obvious. The twilight was closer, and they knew that the second attempt is going to be the terminal one to make or break.
We are again going to start our final and definitely successful attempt. Let us be all positive.
Amidst the sour faces, series of unifying war cries, so powerful, cheered people on. Counting began amid a million prayers, but doubts and hesitations only weaken your prayers.
My introduction, my name is Swapnil Dangrikar. I'm the official adjudicator from Guinness World Records. As you all know, the record that you were beating was for 1,186 people. And you have now broken the record. Once again, the number is 1,235 participants.
1,235.
I hope to be involved in such many more events in HBC for years to come. Thank you HBC, thank you GWR, thank you India for giving us this pride.
It is an illusion that an epitome of success is in a win, but the epitome of success is in the hunger after a defeat.